Welcome to Linux Overdose, Episode 7, Part 4. This is a continue of Debian 8.4 Jesse Gnome. And in this episode, we'll be talking about the short review of Debian 8.4 in Virtualbox. Today is April 11th, 2016. So we successfully installed Debian 8.4 in Virtualbox. And we installed the guest edition so we can have a full screen for Debian. So we got that going, and now I'll go ahead and review Debian 8.4 in a VirtualBox. So we'll get VirtualBox open. Boot in Debian 8.4 Jesse Gnome. And already did some changes, so you'll notice a few changes already. And two things you pretty much notice real quick is auto login. I don't have to type in my password to get into the system. It's just me by myself, so I never like to just have to type my name just to get into my system. I like a quick boot, and this was a quick boot. And you also notice I changed the wallpaper from the default. Suicide Squad is going to be released here soon, so I figured this would be a fitting wallpaper. I just searched online and found it and put it in my picture folder. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did the auto login. And you go under settings, and there's three places you can do that. You can do it here by just right clicking settings. You can go up here on the right and you got settings, and you go up here to like the application menu, and settings. So there's three ways you can do it, and of course you can go open up your terminal, and I don't know what the launch command is, maybe settings. Guess I can find out here real quick. I don't know if that's probably not. No, it's not the full command, so probably gnome dash settings or something. But we'll go ahead and do it this way since it's the quickest. Go to users, unlock, so we can make some changes. Put in your password, and right here it is, auto login. This is default, where you gotta log in all the time, or you can change it where it's auto login. And after you make the change, you lock, and now you're auto login. And to change the background here, just right click, change background. And right here's the background. Right here was the default, and then all these are other ones you can choose by default. Or I can go, it automatically goes to your picture folder if you click on this. And I got two wallpapers in here. This one I'm using, and when I get tired of this one, I'll go switch this one. I'll probably find more wallpapers that's related to Suicide Squad. So that's how you just click on select, and that's how quick it changes. So, and then when I go back, select. So it's real easy to change back and forth to your wallpaper. And you notice up here I don't have military time. I always like the 12-hour. So you just click here, date and time settings, and right here, time format, 24 hours and the 12 hours. And The date, I found a way how to get the date up there. Was under tweak tools, which is this setting, and top bar where it says show date. If I uncheck it, date's gone. Check it, date's back. So that's another feature I found. And you should always poke around and find out where everything's at, how things are set by default, and then figure out how to change it to your liking. Same with the settings. Just click, 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 and find out what each one of these do, how it's set, and make some changes. And if you notice here, I change some of this. Only things that remain is Iceweasel, help, files, and the show applications. I add the terminal, I add the Synaptic Manager package, the root terminal, and the calculator. And how you do that is easy. You can pick anything here that you want to move over. Like if I want to do the cheese, which is the webcam app, you just click it, left click it, move it to wherever you want. Don't matter where you want it. And then there, it's there. I can click on it and it'll open up. To get rid of, you just right click and remove. It's gone. So that's how easy it is to add and remove to this bar right here. So that's pretty decent. Close this by just clicking on that. And these are workspaces. So if I had something open up like a browser, and I want to go to another workspace, I just go here, and now I'm at a different workspace. And if I want to go back to my number one workspace, just click on this. Now I could have a widget up here, which I probably will. That way I don't have to, because I can't get it here, I always have to go up here. I'm sure there's another way, but I can add it up here, a widget, and have my 4 work spots up here, and click, and I can do that now. I believe it's under tweaks, under extensions, and then I'll just look for a workspace. Workspace indicator on, and you see it's just one, so I can go here, add. We got 0, 1, 2, and 3. I guess that's how that works. There's only 2 showing, so the setting is somewhere else for to indicate it. I think, like here, let's see, yeah, right here, so 4, and now let's see what we got here. I got 4 workspaces now, so that's how. And can I move this? I guess that's all right on the right hand side. So that's how you do that. That'd be easier. Well, I can go, either or, but probably easier just go from here all the time. So I go here and then back here. So all right, I got that taken care of. And like I say, you just change things as you go. Also installed install Flash, the Flash plugin, and I put a sudo apt-get install Flash plugin / non-free. Now, when you first do this, nothing, it will not get installed. You have to change something under source. So you go to the source file, and we're just going to do the cat. We're not going to edit nothing. We just want to look real quick. And this first one where it says main, by default, that's all you'll see. From here, that's all you see. I add this contrib non-dash free. Add that to it, update it, and then I did the command to install the Flash, and then it got it installed, and it works too. I tested, went to YouTube, and it works just fine. By default, I don't know what they were using. I guess no Flash. When I was on YouTube, I guess I was using HTML5, and there was a split second of a delay in the movement of the lips and stuff. So of course that gets annoying. So I went ahead and did the Flash, and now everything's in sync. It just works. And the bottom here also installed this is supposed to improve your looks of your fonts, and it's actually Ubuntu Trusty Main, and you can use Ubuntu PPAs, but I would recommend use only long-term support versions of Ubuntu repositories, which is this is Trusty. So you can do that and should have no problems. So I add that, and another thing is here when you right click, you only had new folder, open in terminal, of course option of paste if you had paste, and properties. There was no way I can make a new document, and now I can, and they removed it for some reason. I have no clue why. But in here, in the templates, I found this out by actually reading about how to add things to this menu list, and you do it in here. Open it up, and any application you put in here will be added to the menu, I believe. It even says up here, files in this folder will appear in the new document menu. So I just add the whatever applications I want to have access to, put it in here. I haven't tested out for other things, in which I will. So that was something new that I learned. And let's see what else I did. In the fonts, I went to this .config, and this was here too, but this was empty. I actually add this file, fonts.conf, and it's pretty long. I haven't went through it all yet, but it seems to work okay. So that was that. And let's see what else I did. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and open up the browser. and the fonts don't look too bad. I'll just open up some pages, how it's doing the fonts, and it seems not too bad. So and I'll go to some websites I did or went to. I'll put these in the show notes. This is that long file that I put in on that font .conf. So that's this. I'll put that in the show notes. And anything here about fonts, I'll put in the show notes. You might learn a few things here to make your fonts look good. And I'll keep playing with it. So, and plus you'll probably notice change the colors here a little bit. And how I did that was under colors. If it was checked, it's default, and then you just, I'll be playing with that too to get the colors the way I want it. But right now it's fine. So well, you see how quick I got everything changed to some of my preferences, and I'll keep playing with it until I get it where everything just works out for me. The most applications I'll be using, there's something else I installed. I haven't messed with it, but it's supposed to change the list of let's go to File Manager. When I click here, this menu here, you should be able to change it with this and another application called Extras, which I haven't installed yet. So I'll be playing with this to add stuff to that menu. So I'll be putting links to that too. And let's see what else we got here. That's about it, really. So I'll go ahead and sign off, and I'll be holding off on the next begin and the end. Of course, I'll be doing the next episode of how to install this on a solid state drive, how to set your BIOS and stuff. So I'll be doing that here soon. My mic came in for that recording hardware. I want to test that out and see if that's any good. And I'll be actually reviewing here after I get done doing the solid state drive episodes. I'll be reviewing distrowatch.com, showing you how to get around on those pages, see what other options that website has. There's a lot there. Everyone should know what it can do. So I'll go ahead and sign off here. Let's go ahead and log off of this machine and close this, and I can close this, and I'm back to my desktop. So that's pretty cool about the Virtualbox. So I'll be installing on the other solid state drive. I think in BIOS I can disable this hard drive, and I definitely want to do this so I won't mess this up, or I will physically unplug it from the motherboard, because I definitely don't want to mess this setup at all. Alright, well, I'll talk to you guys on the next episode. Bye.